First, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone by going to your phone's settings and turning on Bluetooth. On your Baleno's 7 or 9-inch touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then Phone, and select Pair Device. Select your phone from the list on the screen and confirm the pairing when prompted on both devices. Once paired, you can make hands-free calls, stream music, and sync your contacts through the system. Ensure your phone and Baleno firmware are updated. If you experience connection issues, reset Bluetooth by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Always prioritize safety by using voice commands instead of typing while driving. The Suzuki Baleno offers built-in navigation through the Maps icon on the touchscreen. You can set destinations manually by touching the screen or use voice commands like Navigate to Address. For better accuracy, sync with your phone's GPS. To avoid data charges, download offline maps in advance. For smartphone integration, the Baleno supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Wireless support is available on higher trims from 2024 onward. Connect your phone via USB for wired connection or wirelessly through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The infotainment system then mirrors your phone's interface directly on the screen. Android Auto integrates with the Google ecosystem. Use Google Assistant for hands-free voice controls. Make sure your Android Auto app is updated to version 10 or higher for optimal performance. Apple CarPlay emphasizes Siri for voice commands and Apple Maps for navigation. Use the steering wheel buttons for safe, hands-free operation while driving. Ensure your Apple device is updated to maintain compatibility. In rural areas with weak signals, smartphone mirroring often provides better navigation accuracy using apps like Waze or Apple Maps. For any connectivity problems, refer to the Suzuki Connect app or the user manual for detailed guidance.